problem. Design an ideal high pass filter with a frequency response HD of is equal to 1 for pi by 4 less than or equal to mod omega less than or equal to pi is equal to 0 for mod omega less than or equal to pi by 4. Okay, then find the values. Find the values of h of n for n is equal to 11. Find h of z step. Plot the magnitude response using Hamming window. Using Hamming window, not Hamming. Using Hamming window. Right. This is the problem. Now we will see the solution. See, from the given, we'll write first the given data, given ideal high pass filter frequency response, that is HD of e power j omega is equal to 1. I mean, in a graphical way we represent. This is equal to pi by 4 to pi. The magnitude is 1. Okay. And this is mod, means minus pi by 4 to this side. Minus pi also, it is equal to 1. Rest of the frequencies, the value is 0. Okay. This is high pass filter. Now, based on this, the procedure is, first we will calculate HD of, from the HD of e power j omega, calculate HD of n, then by taking inverse dt of t formula, and from this you can calculate h of n, that is equal to, how to calculate h of n? HD of n is multiply with W of n. Here W window is a Hamming window, so Hn of n. After getting h of n, we can calculate h of z using the z transform method, and this is not physically realizable. Then we can find out h dash of z, that is physically realizable 1 by multiplying here z power minus 5 because it is n is equal to 11. And from this h of n and n value, we can find out h cap of e power j omega magnitude response. Okay, we will calculate these parts. First, hd of n will find out by taking inverse ddft formula. Inverse ddft. So hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi inverse ddft minus pi to pi hd of e power j omega into hd of e power j omega into e power minus j omega n d omega. Right. This is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral. Here we can split into two parts because my negative part is there, positive part is there. So minus pi 2 minus pi by 4, first one, into 1 e power minus j omega n d omega plus integral pi by 4 to pi 1 into e power minus j omega n d omega. Okay, now just calculate this and tell me the answers. First half and second half. Sandhya, understood till this point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do calculate and tell me the answer. Done? Sandhya, answer?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Priyanka, have you completed? Priyanka is not there. Sirisha,
Yes, sir.
got it?
Sir, I simplified up to that expressions only, sir.
Convert into signs. Till sign you do
Yes,
it.
sir, I converted up to sign, sir.
Okay, tell me then. 1 by
Minus 1 by 2 pi jn.
here are
Yes, sir, minus 1 by 2 pi jn.
minus common, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
J2 sin pi by 4n.
Sign sine
Pi by 4, sir.
pi by 4
Minus J2 sin pi n, sir.
pi n. Okay. Now first this 2j we cancel it, and this minus will send inside. Then it is outside we have 1 by pi n. This is ulta because of this minus. Sin pi n minus sin pi by 4n. Is it so? This is for n value from minus infinity to infinity. Everybody is here? Is it right? Shall I go to next step? No response. Okay. Now, previously it was what we have done for n is equal to 11. We have taken h of n is only 11 samples. Right. Now it is not like that. We have to take the window. Window, what is the window? Panning window definition, you write it. Panning window is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 2 pi n by n minus 1. You have to remember this. And this is from minus n minus 1 by 2 to n minus 1 by 2. That is from minus 5 to plus 5. Okay. This is the window. Else it is 0. Else it is 0. Else. Then we need to find out this window coefficients. WHN of 0 first is equal to, please calculate and tell me, WHN of 1, that is equal to WHN of minus 1, because we told already in the properties it should be symmetric. Then next is WHN of 2, that is WHN of minus 2. Next WHN of 3, that is equal to WHN of minus 3. Next WHN of 4, that is equal to WHN of minus 4. WHN of 5 is equal to WHN of minus 5. Then tell me these values. WHN of 0, substitute n is equal to 0 here, cos 0 will be 1. So 0.5 plus 0.5 it is equal to 1. Then cos hn of 1, substitute 1, and here n is 11. So 11 minus 1, 10. 2 pi by 10. Cos 2 pi by 10 you calculate into 0.5 plus 0.5. What is the value? Answer? 0.9045. Then WHN of 2, 0.5 plus 0.5 into cos 2 pi by 5. This is equal to 0.655. Next, cos HN of 3, 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 3 pi by 5 is equal to 0.345. Next, 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 4 pi by 5 is equal to 0.0945. Then next, 0.5 plus 0.5 cos pi. This will give 0. Is it correct? All the values? Sandhya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have window samples and HD of n infinite samples. Now we have to club this, multiply these two. So for that, we need to find out what are HD of n values exactly. That means for HD of 0, HD of, okay, first let me write what is the HD of n value. HD of n is equal to, because we need to multiply HD of n with W of n. So for that we need to calculate similar samples in HD of n. So we'll calculate again the samples. Sin pi n minus sin pi n by 4. Okay. Now write HD of 0 is equal to HD of 0, HD of 1, that is equal to HD of minus 1, HD of 2, that is HD of minus 2, HD of 3, that is HD of minus 3, HD of 4 is equal to HD of minus 4, HD of 5 is equal to HD of minus 5, HD of 0 is equal to, what is the value you get? It is 0.75. Please calculate and confirm these values. It is sin pi minus sin pi by 4 by 1 by pi by 1 by pi is equal to 0 minus 0.225. This is equal to HD of 2 is equal to minus 0.159. This is equal to minus 0.075. This is equal to 0. This is equal to minus 0.045. Okay. Sandhya, are you doing this? Got the same values? Sirisha, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Got the same thing?
Sir, HD of 0. No. Sir, HD of n 1 by n pi. No, sir. If we substitute 0, how we will get 0.75?
HD of 0, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Limit theorem you should apply. I told you, na?
Okay, sir.
Limit theorem you apply. You will get 1 for the first term. For the first term, you will get 1 here. And next term, you will get 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 will give 0.75. I mean 3 by 4, that is 0.75. Okay, please completed, then tell me. I'll go to next step. Sirisha, done?
Last value I'm checking, sir.
Okay, okay, do it.
Correct, sir.
Hmm? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is, we have now window coefficients and HD of n coefficients. Therefore, H of n we can find out from this. Therefore, filter coefficients. Therefore, filter coefficients H of n is equal to HD of n into W of n. W H n of n. W H n of n. Okay. Therefore, now you find H of 0 is equal to what? HD of 0 into WHN of 0. Calculate and tell me this. Then similar way, H of n, that is equal to H of minus 1 also, which is equal to HD of n, HD of 1, WHN of minus 1 is equal to. Then next, H of minus 2 is equal to H of 2, that is equal to HD of 2 into WHN of 2 is equal to. Then H of minus 3 is equal to. H of 3 is equal to HD of 3 into WHN of 3 is equal to. And H of minus 4 is equal to H of 4, that is equal to HD of 4 into WHN of 4 is equal to. H of minus 5 is equal to H of 5 is equal to HD of 5 into WHN of 5 is equal to. Yes, what are these values?
0.75, sir. H of
Very good. First value is 0.75. Sorry,
H of
0.75. Next value. Next value is Yes, Sirisha got the same values.
Sir, doing, sir.
Okay.
Same values only.
Okay, right. Then we have now h of n filter coefficients. We can find out next step h of z. Therefore, h of z is equal to, therefore h of z is equal to h of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to 5 h of n into z power n plus z power minus n. This is equal to h of 0 value is 0.75 plus h of 1. H of 1 is uh, it is minus. So minus 0.204 into z plus z power minus 1 minus 0.104 z square plus z power minus 2 minus 0.026 into z cube plus z power minus 3, right? And z power 4, z power 5, no, 0 coefficient, so we are not mentioning here. And it is not physically realizable since this h of z is not physically physically realizable, h dash of z is equal to z power minus 5 into h of z. This is equal to, this is equal to minus, this is equal to, okay, we'll write as it is first, 0.75 z power minus 5 minus 0.204 z power minus 4 plus, sorry, minus 0.204 z power minus 6 minus 0.104 z power minus 3 minus 0.104 z power minus 5 minus 0.026 z power minus 2 minus 0.026 z power minus 8.
Sir, they're -7, sir, Z bar.
Where minus 7? Here,
Minus 0.104.
0.104. Oh,
After the,
okay. This one?
yes, yes, sir.
Drupal.
Minus, minus.
Correct? This one?
Yes, yes.
Minus 7. Okay. Now we reorder it. Reorder. First 10 power minus 10 power minus 2. So minus 0.026 10 power minus 2. Then 10 power minus 5. Minus 2, 0.204 z power minus 4. Then plus 0.75 z power minus 5. Then minus 0.204 z power minus 6 minus 0.104 z power minus 7 minus 0.026 10 power minus 8. Now, therefore, from this we can write the coefficients, causal filter coefficients. Therefore, causal filter which is physically realizable with coefficients h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5, then h of 6, h of 6, h of 7, h of 8, h of 9, then h of 10. Values, sorry, we started from here. This is the center. H of 6, H of 7, H of 8, H of 9, H of 10. H of 0 value is 0. H of 1, H of 1, H of 9 both will be similar because symmetry property. See, not there. Again 0. H of 2, 2 is there. 2 and 8 both will be similar. Minus 0.00026. And H of 3. H of 3 is minus 0.104. H of 4 is minus 0.204. H of 5 is 0.74. So please cross check and uh, get the magnitude response. Okay. Now magnitude response. Magnitude response for H of n symmetric and n odd. Therefore, magnitude response for H of n symmetric and n odd. H cap of e power j omega is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to 5 a of n cos omega n. Okay, here a of 0 is equal to, where a of 0 is equal to h of n minus 1 by 2, that is equal to h of 5 here. Then a of n is equal to 2 into h of n minus 1 by 2 minus n. For n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, A of 1 is equal to H of 5 is equal to 0.75. A of 0 over A of 1 is equal to 2 into H of 5 minus 1. That is 2 into H of 4. Calculate this value and tell me. A of 2 is equal to 2 into H of 5 minus 2. That is 2 into H of 3. Next, A of 3. 2 into H of 5 minus 3. 2 into H of 2. Then A of 4. 2 into H of 5 minus 4. 2 into H of 1. Then A of 5 is equal to 2 into H of 5 minus 5. It is equal to 2 into H of 0. Then what is 2 into H of 4? H of 4 value is
0.408, sir.
208. Okay, good. Next, this one A of 2 value H of 3. H of 3 is minus 0. So it is minus 0.208. Correct?
208, sir.
Good. The next A of 3 value H of 2 minus 0.026. 0.052. Correct? Then H of 1. H of 1 is not the 0. So 0. Then H of 0 is 0. Sirisha, correct? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, sir.
Now write the equation, magnitude response equation. Therefore, H cap of e power j omega is equal to 0.75. A of 1 is 0.408 cos omega minus 0.208 cos 2 omega minus 0.052 cos 3 omega. 4 omega, 5 omega, zeros. Okay. Now we need to make a table. Omega versus h cap of e power j omega mod value. Please do this calculation and draw the plot. Omega in degrees, 0 degrees, 30 degrees. I'm taking, but many values you can take, it's better. 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120, 150, 180. So values just calculate. I'm giving here, but you can calculate and verify. 0.082, 0.92, 0.702, 0.96, 1.006, 151, 180, 1.002. Okay. Now draw the plot. Omega 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. And say this is 1. This is 0.5. What h cap of e power j omega? Right? The values, if you keep for 0.088 means it is very close to 0.1, 0 degrees. Then 30 degrees, 0.292, 0.3. It's very close to 0.3. Yeah. Then 60 degrees, 0.7. 0.7 will be here. Then 90 degrees, 0.96, close to 1, but less than 1. Then 120, this is 1 point something, so it's 1 only. Then 150, it is 1. Then 180, it is 1. Right. So if we join, get the response like this. Okay. So all of you please draw it. This is the low pass filter response.